Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a kind of smokier look. I know a lot of places are opening back up, so just in case you need a date night look or a girls night out look, I thought this would be perfect. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with a shade called OG. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm placing it right above my crease, blending up just a little bit. And I always like to start off with a little bit of product and build it until it's as dark as I want, and then I take a clean fluffy brush to buff out the edges. For my crease, I'm using the shade 1988, and I have to go a little bit above my natural crease since I have hooded eyes because you can't see my natural crease whenever I have my eyes open. Hopefully that makes sense. So I go just a little bit above and do the same thing, just build it and then buff out the edges. Using that same shade 1988, I'm going to buff it all the way across my lower lash line. Next, I'm using a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline. I always do this step no matter what type of look I'm doing, but I feel like it does make it a little bit smokier when you add this step in. For my lid, I'm using the shade Georgina, which is a really pretty bronzy shimmer color, and I'm using a flat, dense brush. That way it will really pack on the shadow, and I'm going all the way across my lid. So ignore my dark circles, but if you wanted to, you could just leave the look like this, but I wanted to kind of smoke it up a little bit more. So now I'm going to take the shade Yugo and just place it on the outer corner, kind of dragging it up into my crease. Then I'm also going to add it to the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. I do this step after every shade, but especially at the end when I'm finished with my eyeshadow, I take my clean fluffy brush again and just make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with Man Eater Mascara by Tarte. This is my favorite mascara. I love it because it really gets in there and separates your lashes and it doesn't flake off or get clumpy. And for lips, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. I know a lot of people are kind of looking for lighter looks since it's going into summer, but I know things are getting semi back to normal and we've been cooped up for so long. So I did want to give you this kind of smoky eye option. So if you did like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.